everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an item to favorite list on Joann.com. So let's do it right now without wasting much of our time. Open a web browser and in the web address bar type in Joann.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, go ahead and scroll through an item you'd like to put in your favorite list. Once you find the product, go ahead and click on the heart icon right above the product display. Once you do that, you'll be able to add product on a favorite list on Joann.com. To get to your favorite list and continue purchasing the product, you'll need to click the heart icon at the top right, and all the items that you've added to your favorites list will be displayed on the screen. Now you can add the product to your shopping bag and continue purchasing, or remove an item from the list by clicking on remove. That is how you can easily add an item to favorite on Joann.com. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.